Abot diri, palakpakan nato ang tanan.
Hey, and it's Father's Day. We've got some kids out here. Make sure Dad gets a hug and a love, man. Happy Father's Day.
Malipayon ang tanan tungod kining adlaw sa mga tatay.
Yes.
Malipayon nga adlaw sa sining adlaw sa tanan ng mga tatay.
Hey, this is Dante over here. I don't know. This is one of well. Anyway, we've got a special presentation. We're going to be together. Hopefully, some beautiful nights. We have the Bible. We have the Word of God. We have a God in heaven who wants to come and join us tonight. In each night, He has some words, some thoughts. He has His voice. He wants you to hear.
May pinasahi kita nga pagtio, mapatuon sa sining nga tiyon. Tungod kay aton tun-an ang pulong sang Dios ilang ahon na